In this video, I want to show you how you can get a UK TikTok account. It's a very simple process, and I will drop the step-by-step process as a text under this video. Okay, let me put a disclaimer. What we are sharing is free, and we do not own the rights to these platforms. So you may try it, it may not work for you. It doesn't mean that you didn't get the right information. It means that at the time you are trying it, it didn't work. So I often like to drop disclaimer because people think when we share information like this, we just share false information. Okay, no. What I want to show you now is a sure way to get a UK or USA or whatever country TikTok account. All right. So if you follow this video from beginning to the end, you'll be able to set up a UK account wherever you are, whether you're in Nigeria or any country. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get a new email address you've not used before. Get a new email address you've not used on TikTok before. I already have an email address, so I'm going to use that email address. Okay. So if you have your email already, you just go to where you have it and copy it. Just have it copied in your clipboard. Go to your TikTok account. Go to your TikTok. Open TikTok. All right. Once you open TikTok, you go to your profile. This is your profile down here. Okay. Open your profile. So for me, this is my TikTok account. This is my Nigerian TikTok account. So what I want to show you now is what I want to create a new TikTok account that is UK. All right. So what you need to do is you go up where you have these three lines on top there. You click on it. Once you click on it, you will see setting and privacy. You click on setting and privacy. Then once it opens, you scroll down to where you have account. This place here, where you have accounts. You click on accounts. Okay. Once you click on account, you click on account information. See here, account information. Now you see what you're having here. Account region Nigeria. Okay, account region Nigeria. If you click on it, see what you have. You have different country. Okay, so but Nigeria is already highlighted. But that's not what I just want you to know that this account is Nigeria. The one we're going to create, you will see it to change to UK. Okay, so what you want to do is when you get to, let me go back. So when you click on this three dots line here, the three lines here, it will take you to settings and privacy. Okay, click on settings and privacy. Then at this point, you scroll to the end. Okay, don't touch anything. Just scroll to the end of this thing here, your page here. Look at this, switch account, log out. So what you want to do is you want to click on switch account. Don't forget, when you come to, let me go back again. You click on these three lines up here. Once you click on it to bring you here, then you select settings and privacy. Then you don't need to touch anything here. Just scroll to the end of the page. Then you click on switch account because we want to create a new account. So you click on it. These are all the accounts on. I'm actually covering it because I don't want to expose some things. Okay. So down here you click on add account. These are the accounts already on TikTok. So this place down here is add account. You click on add account. It will bring you here. So they say login, they say add account. So you want to click on add account. Okay. Once you click on add account, it will bring you here. Don't touch anything yet here. Okay. It bring you login with email, continue with Facebook. Cancel this. Continue with Facebook. Continue with Google. Don't do anything here yet. Look down. If you look down, you see Nigeria highlighted in blue. You see terms of service. You see privacy all highlighted in blue. So what you want to do, you want to click on this Nigeria. Click on Nigeria. And then it will give you opportunity to now select the country you want to use. So instead of leaving it at Nigeria, you scroll down or you just type where you have search here. You just click on it and search the you want to use. So in this case, I want to use UK. So it's United Kingdom. Look at it here. If it is United States of America, you use United States. Okay. But in this case, I want to use United Kingdom. Even if it's Ghana or any country you want to use, you select it. When you are done changing this to UK, look at sign up down here. Once you change this Nigeria to United Kingdom, you now click on sign up. Look at sign up down here, not sign in. Okay? Click on sign up. It will now bring you to this page. Can you see it? So what you want to do now, you are not going to click on continue with Facebook or continue with Google. You're clicking on continue with email. Please get this thing. Don't go and do mistake. If you do mistake, you won't get what you are looking for. So just click on continue with email. Once you click on continue with email, you now put that email that you already had, that you already created on Google. Okay, click on it and paste that email. So this is the email I want to use. I will click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will load. It will bring another page. They will ask you to verify. It's loading. Okay, check your email. They have sent me a verification code. So I'm going to wait a bit and then check. Okay, the code is already here. They have sent me the code. So I'll copy the code. Don't worry, I'm covering it because of security reasons. So I'll just copy. I'll just put the number. Okay, I'll just put the number. All right. Once you are done putting the number, you choose your birthday. Please be sincere. Use your real date of birth, because later on when you start getting money, they will ask you to verify and you're going to use your BVN or NIN. So at that time, if your age or your date of birth does not match with what is in your BVN, there will be issues. So use your real date of birth. So in my case, I'll just choose my date of birth. Just choose your date of birth and then you continue. Okay, I'll put my date of birth. I'm covering it because I don't want you to see it. Then you continue. Okay, you continue, right? Okay, it has continued. So the next thing, you create a password. You are creating a password after you put your date of birth. The next thing, they ask you to create a password. So I want to create a password. I'm covering it, but don't be offended. You can do your own and then get your own done. Okay, so the password must be not less than 8 character, and it must carry a special character, and just make it a strong password. Then you continue. Okay, then you create a nickname. I just want to make it I'll change it later, right? I'll change it later. I just want to make it AI tutorials. I'll change it later. Okay, I just give it AI tutorial. You can change it anytime. Okay, are you seeing that now? My account has been created. You see it now. My account I've created a brand new TikTok account. So to confirm if this is UK account and not Nigeria, what you need to do is click on this 3 line again. Click on the 3 line again up here. Click on setting and privacy. Then click on account. Click on account. Okay. Click on account. Then you go to account information here. Click on account information. Are you seeing it? It has changed from Nigeria to United Kingdom. So this account is now a UK account, not a Nigerian account. The second thing you can also do to check if it's correct, you go back. Then you click on these 3 lines again up here. Then click on TikTok Studio. Click on TikTok Studio, wait for it to load. Then you scroll down. Look at it here. You click on, you see that Creator Marketplace, Creator Reward. This is where I want us to see. Okay, you click on it. You'll see that you're already part of the Creator reward system. Okay, so that means that you can earn when your video gets traction, it gets views, whatever you do on TikTok. The way UK people will be rewarded, that's how you'll be rewarded. Okay, it's not like all you want to do and then nobody cares what you are doing. Okay, so you see, this is a Creator reward system. Okay, so once you achieve the number of viewership, the number of followership, you will start getting money monetized. Okay, and then when you are monetized, they will ask you to verify yourself. You will verify yourself, and then that's all. So this is how to create UK TikTok account. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.